Welcome to Take a Leopard channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use a Roblox support ticket. Now, it is very useful just in case you're having any problem with Roblox. So to use the support ticket, what you have to do is just go to your browser and make sure you're at roblox.com. And after that, what you have to do is just click on the gear icon. From here, click on Help and Safety. Now, from here, just click on the Help Center. Now, if your specific issue is right over here, just search for it. And if you find the solution, that's good. But let me show you, if you don't find your solution, how to contact the support ticket. So at first, what you have to do is just go to your problem. Let's say I have a problem with my Roblox account. I'll click on this. Then let's say I have a problem verifying my email or phone number. I'll click on this. Then I'll read all this and try to solve it using this. And if it doesn't work, I'll come all the way down and click here on Need More Help. Contact support here. Just click on this. And after that, you're gonna find a contact information form. Just fill this up. Give here your username, your first name, your email address. Now, your email address is the most important thing because support is gonna open the ticket with this email and contact you via this email only. So make sure your email address as well as the confirm email address is correct. Now, in here, under issue details, properly explain your problem to them. After that, just click on continue. And basically that is it. And that is how to open and use a support ticket in Roblox. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.